Tired of missing out on the latest anime because of payment hassles? First, head over to the Crunchyroll website or open the app. Make sure you're logged in and navigate to your account settings. Upgrade your membership or manage your subscription under Premium or Subscribe. You will find several payment options. However, Easypaisa is not directly available. So, select credit card or debit card as your payment method. Don't worry, this is where Easypaisa comes in. Now, open your Easypaisa app. Look for the virtual card option. This might be under More or Digital Payments. If you don't have a virtual card yet, create one. It's quick and easy. Once your virtual card is active, you'll see the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Copy these details carefully. Go back to the Crunchyroll payment page and paste in the card number, expiry date, and CVV from your Easypaisa virtual card. Make sure you enter all details correctly. Review your information and confirm the payment. Crunchyroll will then process the transaction using your Easypaisa virtual card. And that's it. You can now enjoy uninterrupted anime streaming on Crunchyroll with Easypaisa.